Are you searching for best motorcycle helmet camera? Today I am going to review top 5 best motorcycle helmet camera in 2024. I made this list based on my personal opinion, based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, user feedback and other related issues. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1. Fodsports FX30C Pro Motorcycle Intercom Helmet Bluetooth Headset. Fodsports FX30C Pro Motorcycle Intercom Helmet Bluetooth Headset 1080p Video Wi-Fi Camera Recorder, BT 5.0, FM, Music Share, Special Function, FM, Voice Control, Universal Pairing Function, Waterproof, Noise Reduction, Built-in 1080p HD Video Recorder Camera, 10MP High Definition Photo, Bluetooth version 5.0, 2 riders 1000m intercom range, 120-degree wide angle 360-degree rotation shooting, 3 sound effects, hi-fi bass. Popular Classic, Pure Human Voice, Support Voice Command, Wi-Fi Data Transmission, Built-in Wi-Fi, FM radio. Number 2, Drift Ghost XL Action Camera. Drift Ghost XL Action Camera Sport 1080p Wi-Fi Underwater Sports Cam Ambarella Chip Motorcycle Bike Bicycle Helmet Camcorder, application, for home, semi-professional, extreme sports, outdoor sport activities, bicycle, car DVR, beginner, feature, waterproof, 9 hours battery life, Bluetooth remote control. Number 3, Maxto M3 Motorcycle Bluetooth Helmet Headset Video Recorder. Maxto M3 Motorcycle Bluetooth Helmet Headset Intercom Waterproof Sony Lens Wi-Fi Video Recorder Universal Pairing Interphone DVR, applicable helmet type, half helmet, modular, motocross, open face, full face, flip-up helmet, universal, specifications, operating range, up to 1000 meters, Bluetooth standby time, up to 500 hours, Bluetooth time, up to 32 hours, recording time, up to 7 hours, recording standby time, up to 20 hours, charging time, about 2.5 hours, video resolution, 1080p, battery type, rechargeable polymer batteries. Number 4, Freedconn R1 Pro Motorcycle Helmet Headset. Freedconn R1 Pro Motorcycle Helmet Headset, Group Intercom Waterproof 1440p Wi-Fi App Video Recorder 6 riders Bluetooth Interphone, Special Function, Noise Reduction, Waterproof, Special Features, Voice Prompt, Walkie-talkie Connection, Product Type, Motorcycle Helmet Bluetooth Headset Intercom, Specifications, Phone Talking, 30 hours, Operating Range, up to 1000 meters, Bluetooth Standby Time, 12 days, Bluetooth time, up to 32 hours. Recording time, 4.5 hours, recording standby time, up to 500 hours, charging time, approximately 2 hours, video resolution, 1080p. Number 5, Freedconn R3 Motorcycle Helmet Headset, Product Type, Motorcycle Helmet Bluetooth Headset Intercom, applicable helmet type, modular, motocross, open face, full face, flip-up helmet, universal, special function, noise reduction, waterproof, specifications, phone talking, 30 hours, operating range, up to 1000 meters, Bluetooth standby time, 12 days, Bluetooth time, up to 32 hours, recording time, 4.5 hours, recording standby time, up to 500 hours, charging time, approximately 2 hours, video resolution, 1440p, lens, HD wide-angle lens, charging interface, micro USB Android universal plug, battery capacity, 1500 mAh.